Hello, this is Cynthia in the TLC, and I just want to address the new procedure that we're recommending at the end of the semester regarding your courses in Blackboard. All right, so previously we had recommended that you archive your course, which creates a zip file of all the content and student information. Save that zip file to your H drive or flash drive, and then import the content from that zip file into your course in Blackboard the next time that you teach. And of course the student information would not be imported. Now we're recommending, because we've learned since that archive brings in the content information, but in such a way that it duplicates files and it creates a very big file. So in our attempt to maintain our required size limit at Blackboard, we have a new procedure. It's a little bit more tedious, but hopefully you'll understand and help us to comply. All right, so the new procedure is to still create the archive because of that student information that's gathered along with the content information, in case a student comes back with a complaint, or if your accreditation needs you to keep records of all student information for a period of time. That archive file can come in handy whenever you need that kind of information. But regarding how to gather that information the next time you teach the course, we're recommending that after you archive and save the file, you'll create an export, which is only the content. And then when you're ready to import the next time you teach a class, you will import from that export, not from the archive file. All right, I know it sounds a little bit tedious, but let's go through it quickly here. So first, just in terms of file management, I would recommend that you create a Blackboard course archive zip files folder somewhere on your H drive or your flash drive, wherever you save your files, so to differentiate between the two jobs we're going to do. So one will be an archive zip file folder, and one will be an export zip file folder, just to help keep things straight for yourself. Once you've done that, you'll go into your course and create the archive and save that archive zip file to that specific folder as a backup. From there, you'll go back into your course and then create the export file, which again is just the content of the course, not the student information. Then you'll save that zip file to the zip file folder you've created on your H drive or flash drive again, and that's the file that you'll be using when you're ready to import the next time you teach the course. When you're ready to import, you're going to use the import package job in Blackboard, and you'll be accessing that export zip file. So you're probably wondering now, what do I do with all of these zip files? That's going to create a problem for myself in terms of storage, but here's something that can help a little bit. Okay, so once you've created the archive zip file, you'll keep that for whatever recommended time you decide in your program, or according to your accreditation, etc. Okay, after you successfully imported from that export zip file, then you can delete the export zip file. Okay, you only need to keep the archive file for whatever period of time you decide. So I've created short videos on how to do each of the jobs: how to archive your course, how to export your course, how to import your course, and so on. And you can access those videos on the new intranet site in the TLC space under video tutorials. And there's several categories for the video tutorials, and you'll look under End Start of Semester. You can also access them directly at YouTube, because the files from the intranet are just linking to the YouTube files. And the channel at YouTube is Blackhawk TLC. So you'll see a video on how to archive your course, how to export your course content, how to import your course content from that export zip file, and then how to make your course available to students. All right. So this video that you're watching right now is also accessible there, in case you forget the whole procedure. So let's take a field trip, and I'll just take you to the intranet site, and you'll be able to see exactly how to find these videos. Okay. So from our BTC intranet site, the new site, which is inside.blackhawk.edu, on the right side of the page you'll see under Division Department Directory, you'll see the Teaching Learning Center. Click on that one. Here's our little site here. And so you want to just click on Video Tutorials heading. Okay. from here you can see that there are 2 categories so far, and the start of semester and also regarding the new syllabus procedures. Notice there's a plus sign on the left of each. That means that there's more than one item available in there. So if you click that, you'll see, I have it pretty laid out here. What to do at the end of the semester is a video you're watching right now. Next, you'll archive your course, then you'll export your course, then import from that export file, and then of course don't forget to make your course available to students once you've imported and you're ready to go. So from there you could also access these tutorials directly from YouTube if you just look up the Blackhawk TLC. This is our channel. Feel free to go to the channel and subscribe so you can be current on the new videos that we're creating. So if you have any questions, of course, as always, don't hesitate to contact the TLC, and thank you for watching the video.